conditioners are perfect for cooling small spaces. Efficient, effective, and easy to install, the units come with an adjustable thermostat and easy-to-use controls. With 2 cooling modes, 2 fan speeds, 10 temperature settings, and a washable filter, you can fine-tune your comfort anytime you like. GE Air Conditioners, comfort you can rely on.
Winter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, winter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Winter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in 2 versions, the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our winter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the 2 closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your winter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
At Best Reviews, our goal is to help you simplify shopping. We take highly rated products and use them how the average person would, so we can test whether or not they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises. Today, we're putting the DeLonghi Pinguino PAC EX 390 UV Care portable air conditioner to the test. This UV Care Light model promises to keep your home cool and comfortable while protecting against viruses and bacteria with UVC technology. We tested the powerful 3-in-1 cooling, dehumidifying, and fan unit in an actual home setting to see how it performs. When buying a new air conditioner, it's essential to consider how large the room is you'll be cooling, along with how noisy the machine is. You'll want to know what the device's energy consumption is, and how often you plan on running it, so you can get an idea of average cost of use. The UV Care Light portable air conditioner was able to cool our large area by 10 degrees in around an hour, and had the same impact in smaller rooms in less than 30 minutes. When using this device's cooling mode, you can feel a considerable difference in the temperature in around 10 to 15 minutes. The air was noticeably less stale and less humid after using the device for an hour or so. In terms of cost, this portable AC will run you about $650, making it one of the pricier models out there. But is it worth the price tag? Let's take a look at the pros and cons to find out. First, the pros. The DeLonghi UV Care Light rolls from room to room with ease and has impressive cooling capabilities. The dehumidifier reduces moisture in the air, and the UVC technology protects against viruses and bacteria by killing up to 99.5% of viruses and 96.4% of bacteria, making the air in your home cleaner and more comfortable. This portable air conditioner is considerably quieter than other units of the same size, and its sleek design means it won't be an eyesore if you leave it out in the open. Now let's take a look at the cons. The mounting brackets can be cumbersome and don't fit in every window. The filter chamber on the back can be quite difficult to take off, and although the remote is handy, it can be finicky at times. All in all, the DeLonghi PAC EX390 UV Care is an impressive device that excels at keeping your air cool and clean from bacteria and viruses. The price point is high, but the features make the device well worth it if you feel the air quality in your home could be improved.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.